Well, this is another video to do with the 6-wheel drive Rover Perentie ambulance and the suspension system. Recently I ripped the struts out, which you can do without taking the springs out. I have the turrets here, and today I'm going to take these round to my senior engineer's place and get them sandblasted, and hopefully we'll prime and paint them. They should look good and be a little bit less rusty and hopefully last a bit longer. I might put some new struts in too if they can find me something. Although they're not too bad, I can put them back in as they are. We're going to take the 4B today because I don't fancy driving the 6B with no suspension on it. Alright. Just stopped off at Bunnings. We've got some zinc gal paint, some epoxy enamel. This is the gal paint's really good for keeping the rust off, and I got a wire brush. So it's now 36 degrees in here, so open all the vents and we'll head round and get these things sandblasted. And the new key after I lost my keys is a bit stiff. Alrighty. Where are we? These two guys. Been a bit eroded out.
Two hours later.
Alright, we're going to start off with cold gal paint, which is about a 90% zinc paint. Then we're going to follow up with an epoxy coating after that. Right, now this zinc paint is super quick drying. It's all touch dry almost instantly, at least enough to do a coat of epoxy. Alright, and now we wait for it to dry, and then we do the other one as well, which is identical, so we won't bother filming it. But anyway, we'll see you when we're back.
The next morning.
Okay, so it's the next day. This one's finally finished sandblasting too. So we're going to give it a coat of zinc and then another coat of epoxy. Right, it's been about 20 minutes or so, and this is sort of touch dry. Probably just barely not sticky. Yeah. So I'll give it a little bit more, and then it'll be alright to take it home, I think. And that'll be the end of this video, and we'll do another one when we put everything back in again. Okay, so now it's just a matter of waiting until the suspension place sees if they can find something appropriate. If not, these are suitable enough, they can go back in, and I will use my bare foot to find some replacement pushers, probably nolethane, and we'll put these back into service. Hopefully after I clean up the end of that shaft so that it's not too knackered. Anyway, we'll find out what we're going to do, and hopefully it'll turn out for the best. So we'll see you in the next video when I'm actually putting them back in.